Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Dap Drywall Patch is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to achieve a seamless finish on their walls, offering a quick and effective solution for repairing holes, cracks, and other imperfections that can detract from the overall aesthetic of a room. This versatile product is designed to make the often daunting task of drywall repair accessible to everyone, regardless of their experience level, ensuring that your walls look as good as new with minimal effort and professional-looking results. Number 5. 2-Pack Spackle Wall Repair Patch Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for effective wall repairs. It includes repair paste, scrapers, and patches in various sizes for any job. Our formula is safe for everyone, including children, the elderly, and pets. It's waterproof, formaldehyde-free, and effectively covers imperfections and graffiti. Achieve professional-looking results quickly as the paste dries in just 4 hours. It offers strong adhesion, fast drying, and resistance to cracks and water for a smooth, lasting repair. Repairing walls is simple with this easy-to-use kit. Just squeeze, scrape, and sand for a smooth, seamless finish with virtually invisible repair marks. Perfect for tackling cracks, nail holes, peeling paint, and graffiti. It's ideal for small repair projects in homes, schools, and offices. We're here to help if you encounter any issues. Contact us for a prompt response and the right service to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This kit provides everything you need for a comprehensive repair, including multiple sizes of patches and tools. If you're looking for a one-stop solution for various wall damages and prefer a safe, non-toxic formula, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for homeowners who want a complete and reliable repair without needing to buy separate accessories. What people say. This is a great product that works well. I have used this product multiple times and it has always worked well. This product is easy to use and works great. Number 4. Dap DryDex Dry Time Indicator Spackling. Meet DryDex, the innovative spackling solution designed for all your repair needs. It's perfect for both interior and exterior surfaces, including drywall, plaster, wood, brick, and stone. This unique spackling compound goes on pink and dries to a clean white. This color change provides a clear visual cue, confirming it's dry and ready to go in just 1 to 5 hours. For shallow repairs up to 1/8 inch deep, it dries in as little as 1 hour. For deeper damage, simply apply multiple layers, allowing each to dry thoroughly between applications. Experience repairs that stand the test of time. It won't crack, crumble, flake, or shrink, ensuring a professional and lasting finish every time. Enjoy added convenience with this spackling. When used indoors, it doesn't require any priming, saving you time and effort on your projects. What we like. The unique color-changing feature takes the guesswork out of knowing when your repair is dry. If you value visual confirmation and want a professional finish that won't crack or crumble, this spackling compound is for you. It's perfect for those who want a clear indication of progress and a long-lasting repair. What people say. The pink color of the compound changes to white when it is completely dry and ready for sanding or painting. This indicator takes the guesswork out of the drying process, saving me time and ensuring that I achieve a smooth and professional finish. The consistency of the spackling is perfect, neither too thick nor too runny. It spreads smoothly and evenly, allowing for easy application. If any excess spackling gets on surrounding areas, it can be easily wiped away with a damp cloth before it dries. This saves me time and effort during the application process. Number 3. Home Wall Repair Paste. Tired of unsightly holes and cracks in your walls? Our innovative solution makes repairing them a breeze. Get your home looking pristine again in no time. Don't let repairs slow you down. This paste dries incredibly fast, allowing you to complete your wall touch-ups quickly and efficiently. Get back to enjoying your home sooner. Experience a repair that lasts. Its powerful adhesion ensures it bonds securely to various surfaces like plaster and wood, providing a durable fix. Whether your walls are dry or damp, this repair paste is up to the task. Its waterproof nature guarantees a lasting repair, even in challenging conditions. Achieve professional-looking results with minimal effort. The included tools make application straightforward, so anyone can achieve a smooth, seamless finish. From small dents to larger holes and annoying scratches, this versatile agent handles it all. It's the perfect all-in-one solution for your home's walls and even wood surfaces. What we like. This option offers a quick fix with excellent adhesion and a waterproof finish. If you need to repair holes, dents, or scratches rapidly and require a durable, water-resistant result, this paste is a great pick. It's particularly suitable for areas that might encounter moisture or for users who prioritize speed and strength in their repairs. What people say. Easy to use, dries fast. Had to repair wall damaged by a hook with adhesive. Worked perfectly. This product is awesome. I had many holes to fill on my wall and this product is quick, easy and did an amazing job. Easy to use, dries fast. Had to repair sheetrock damaged by removing a command hook. Worked perfectly and paint adhered without cracking. Number 2. Dap DryDex Spackling 12328. Introducing the Dap DryDex Spackling, your go-to solution for a flawless finish. It's designed to make your DIY projects easier and more professional. Say goodbye to mistakes. This spackling compound is formulated to help you achieve perfect results every time, reducing the need for rework. Enjoy a durable repair that lasts. It's engineered to resist cracking, ensuring your patched areas remain smooth and intact over time. Know exactly when it's ready for the next step. The innovative color-changing feature clearly indicates when it's dry and ready to be sanded or painted. Application is a breeze with its convenient squeeze tube. This design offers precise control and easy handling for a mess-free experience. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, this spackling compound is up to the task. It provides a reliable solution for a variety of repair needs. What we like. Designed for ease of use and accuracy, this product eliminates common repair mistakes. If you're a beginner or simply want a no-fuss application with a clear indicator of dryness, this is the spackling compound for you. Its convenient packaging makes it ideal for quick touch-ups and users who appreciate a straightforward, error-free process. What people say. Goes on smooth, not too thick, easy to sand down, and dries quickly. I like that it turns white when dry, no guessing involved. The dry time indicator goes on pink and dries to white, which makes it super easy to know exactly when it's ready to sand and paint. Once dry, it sands down nicely and blends seamlessly with the surrounding wall for a clean, professional finish. Applies pink, dries white for clear drying indicator. Smooth application and easy to sand. Works for both interior and exterior projects. Number 1. DAP White General Purpose Patching Plaster, 32 ounces. Introducing a ready-to-use patching compound designed for general-purpose repairs. It's perfect for a quick and easy fix on your walls. This latex-based formula dries quickly with minimal shrinkage. This ensures a smooth and seamless repair every time. It effectively repairs holes and cracks in plaster and drywall. Get your walls ready for painting in just 1 to 5 hours. Enjoy a smooth working consistency that makes for a clean repair. Simply wash your tools immediately after use. This plaster is specifically recommended for interior applications. Achieve professional results with this easy-to-use product. What we like. This patching plaster is a ready-to-use, general-purpose compound that dries with minimal shrinkage. If you're looking for a simple, smooth-working solution for plaster and drywall repairs that can be painted over quickly, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for interior jobs where a clean, easy repair is the priority before painting. What people say. The product works with ease of repairing wall holes and cracks. It does a terrific job. Both dries easy and is excellent for sanding. This patching plaster worked great on my cement walls, it dried quickly. The product was consistent. It was easy to use. This item was great to fix a hole in our wall. We wanted a quick fix, and this was easy and less time consuming as the mixture was in the correct thickness and the texture was smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.